In today's video, I'll start with machine learning and its uses in building real-life advanced applications of artificial intelligence. So, what is machine learning? Before diving into machine learning, let me clear what is learning process. So let's imagine you have a dog named Max. When you first time bring Max home, he doesn't know much, but every time you show him like a new task, like something like how to sit or how to fetch a ball, Max will learn those tasks and try to remember it for the next time. Like after teaching Max for 8 to 9 times, Max will remember how to fetch the ball, and this is called learning process. And now for machine learning, it's like teaching computer to be like Max. That is, you give computer examples or data like pictures of cats and dogs, then you tell which one image, which images are of cats and which images are of dog. Then just like Max, computer learns from this data and figures out how to tell which images is of cat and which one is of dog. Also, I created all these images using artificial intelligence, which uses concept of machine learning to generate images. In upcoming videos, we will create machine learning applications which can generate images from text. Now let's look at definition of machine learning. So for this, I am using an AI application which is Pop AI, which again is created using machine learning concept. So just I'll create a presentation about what is machine learning. So just like this, with help of artificial intelligence, I mean, with help of machine learning concept, we can create really good application like this. So I just typed what is machine learning and why was it developed and how machine learning is better than traditional programming. So like using a machine learning concept, this application created a outline of the presentation, as you can see. And then after creating this outline, it is now working on how to, means it is now working on making the presentation. Now to understand importance and usefulness of machine learning, let's compare it with traditional programming. So, in traditional programming or traditional approach to solving problem, programmer first have to study the problem, then write codes or rules for the computer to follow. So let's again take example of cats and dog. Means which we have to create a program to recognize which images are of cats and which are of dogs. So first, we want to write a program to recognize cats. Here we will have to write rules to tell computer exactly what features of cat to look for. Features like appearance. In appearance, we can select features like pointy ears and sleepy eyes and all for cat to recognize. So basically, we have to write many rules. Then those rules we have to evaluate if the rules are working properly, and then we'll get errors, and then we'll follow this loop again, and finally we will have a product or a program which will do the task for us. However, in machine learning approach, instead of telling computer or machine learning algorithm exact means telling them like what to do, you means we just give them a bunch of data or examples of images of cats and dog and let it figure out like means let it figure out the rules to recognize cats and dog. In this programming approach of machine learning, that is feeding data and letting the computer or algorithm learn to solve tasks on its own, is better than traditional programming, as machine as machine learning can adapt to new changes in data. Like if our new data has new breeds of cats, then our machine learning algorithm will still work. Machine learning can handle complex patterns and relationships in data, and which in traditional programming is really hard to handle complex patterns. Also, machine learning systems are scalable and we can fully automate them to do a task without without human supervision. I know you won't understand what is adaptability, complexity, scalability, and automation. Don't worry, I'll explain all these topics in upcoming videos. For now, just know that machine learning allows us to tackle complex problems and create solutions in more automated way rather than in more automated way compared to traditional programming. Uh, Thanks for tuning in. In next video, I'll explain what specifically data is and how machine learning uses data to solve complex problems, and also explain types of machine learning approaches. Thank you.